Say I'm playing in my bouncer seat. What is it, bud? It's one of the first time he's really ever been in it longer than 30 seconds. Oh, spitting up a little bit, bud. Spitting up a little bit. Oh, spitting up a lot of bit. Where'd all that come from? Where's your other arm at? Get it down in here. What's he spitting up for? Where's your pacifier stuck at? Huh? Say, hey, mama. It's stuck, isn't it? Say, daddy, it's down my leg. There we go. So there we go. There. And my feet just barely touching the ground. I'm looking for that pacifier. I'm looking for that pacifier. Here, bud. Here you go. He's liking this thing. What's spinning? This thing here. There's all kinds of toys. It turns, buddy. He's, what is today? He likes 3 days, being 5 months old. Alright, I'm gonna let him play in this for a little bit. And then we're going to bed, buddy. So yeah, it's nap time.